In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tasks on Google Drive. By the end, you'll know how to keep your work organized right inside Drive using the built-in Tasks panel, so your to-dos stay visible while you manage files. Start on the Google homepage. In the top right corner, look for the grid icon, the Google Apps Launcher. Click it, and from the menu that opens, choose Drive. That takes you into Google Drive, where all your files and folders live. This route is handy if you're already on Google and want quick access to your Drive without typing in a new address. Once Drive is open, shift your attention to the thin sidebar on the right edge of the screen. You'll see a small circle with a checkmark icon. That's Google Tasks. Click it, and a compact panel will slide out. This panel is your to-do list hub, and it travels with you across many Google apps, so the tasks you add here are available anywhere you use Google Tasks. Inside the Tasks panel, click Add a Task. A text field appears, inviting you to describe what you need to do. Type your task in clear, action-focused language, like upload lesson files or organize folders. Keeping tasks specific helps you finish them faster and reduces the chance of forgetting details. You can also add a brief note or context in the description field if you want a reminder about where to start or what to include. Next, schedule your task. Choose a date, for example today, so it doesn't get lost. Setting a date turns a vague intention into a commitment and makes it easier to prioritize. If a time option appears, you can add that too for an extra nudge at the right moment. Your tasks will sync across your devices through your Google account, which means you'll see the same to-do and due dates in the Google Tasks mobile app. As you work through your list, keep the panel open while navigating your files. It's a great way to stay focused. Review a task, complete the action in Drive, then come back to the panel. When you finish a task, mark it as completed by clicking the circle next to it. It instantly moves to the completed section, giving you a clean view of what's left, while preserving a record of what you've accomplished. A few quick pointers to stay efficient. Short, clear task names, optional notes for context, realistic due dates, and simple prioritization. With that, you've added a task on Google Drive and set yourself up to get more done with less stress.